Hi everyone, this is Card Addict 23 and I'm back again today with a card opening of One Piece. I'm still in Japan. I'm having a lot of fun and I decided to open up these because they seem to have a lot of these green ones in Japan, fairly available at like a lot of 7-Elevens and um, um, shopping malls and stuff like that. So I thought I would open up these while I'm in Japan and save the more harder, difficult ones to get for when I get back home. So yeah, let's get started and open it up. I hope everyone's doing well for the summer. Everyone's staying cool and safe. And everyone's having fun and having a blast. Let's get it started. I'm sorry I don't know all the characters from One Piece. So we're just gonna go through it. I've always heard of getting like manga cards from these One Piece sets, and I thought it would be cool maybe if I could actually hit one while I'm in Japan. Or even if when I get back too, it would be nice. Oh, okay, last one is a rare card. Not too bad. Pretty cool. We still got a little bit of time, so I'm gonna open up one more. Or not. Maybe not. Hold on one sec, I gotta stop the video.